What's up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Official Martial Arts. And today I'll be teaching you guys how to create retro VHS style in After Effects. And I think that's still trending in the market, whether you see in the music video, in the vlogs, or any aesthetic edits that you might see on any social media platform. So let's get started with our tutorial. So the first step, let's create a new composition. And for the retro VHS style, we need composition ratio will be 4:3. So for that, under the width section, I will just go with 4:3 asterisk 1080, since the height is 1080, and hit OK. And also let's change the composition's name. I will keep it, of course, retro VHS, and the duration is 10 seconds and the frame rate is 24. Let's hit OK. And this is the clip that I'll be using. It's from a music video. So let's just drag and drop it. Perfect. And also I will just pre-compose it, and let's name it footage. The reason for my pre-composition is if I want to change the footage, I will just go open up my composition and replace the footage over here, and all the effects will be applied here, which we'll be doing it right now. So first, let's create a new adjustment layer, and in the effects and presets panel, let's search for fast box blur. Let's drag and drop it, and blur radius I will keep it around 2, and iterations I will keep it to 1. And then let's search for sharpen under the blur and sharpen. Let's drag and drop it, and then I will change the sharpen amount to 300. We can tweak it later, but for now I'll just keep it around 300. In the retro VHS style, we also need chromatic edges. Now the next step is we'll duplicate our footage 3 times. And then under the effects and presets panel, let's search for shift channels, and let's drag and drop it on our top footage layer. And in this, I will keep the red channel on and turn off the green and the blue. Let's copy it and paste it below. And in this, I will just keep my green channel on and turn off the other 2 channels. And in the third duplicate footage layer, I will keep my blue channel on and turn off the other 2 channels, that is the red and the green. Now let's select the top 2 footage, and then from here I will just change my blending mode to screen. Now to get that chromatic aberration, the chromatic edges, I will just move 2 pixels to the left for the red channel. So 1, 2, and I will go with the last footage duplicated layer and move it 2 pixels to the right. So now you can see we have already got the edges, the chromatic edges that we were looking for. Now let's select the duplicated footage layer, and let's recompose it, and let's rename it to chromatic aberrations. Alright, now it's time to create a new adjustment layer again, and in this I will add effect named wave warp. Under the distort section, let's drag and drop it. And in the wave type section, I will change from sine to smooth noise. Let's change the iteration to 0. And let's change the wave height. Let's keep it around, I think 200 should look perfect. Okay. And the wave height, I'll keep it 50. Now let's create a mask. And then under the pinning section, I will just pin it to all edges. Now let's open up the position properties. I will also animate it. So let's move to 2 seconds forward and animate it to the bottom. I want it to be in a looping pattern. So for that, hold Alt and then click on the keyframe of the position and type this expression, loop out. I think we should reduce duration to around 112. I will duplicate my adjustment layer again and then move it few frames back so that we can get this overlapping loop. Alright, now let's create another adjustment layer, and in this I will search for geometry color and another creative section. First is I'm gonna reduce the vibrance. Let's change it to around -40 and increase the white, and then you can go with the warm tone or the blue tone, whichever you think it fits with the footage you are working on. So for this right now I will go with the warm tone, so I will keep it around 30. Now let's see. Okay, it looks good. It's looking good. Now the last effect that we'll be adding is grain. So let's collapse this symmetric color. Then instead of preview, I will change it to final output. And in the preset panel, you will get a lot of presets which you can choose. So let's see which one looks best. Alright, this one looks good. No, it's too hard. Alright, so I will go with the Kodak Vision 200T. It looks a bit soft. So let's see how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Make sure to like this video and comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day, guys.